The viewer suggested that I give an update on an installation I did several months ago where I installed my ham radio in my car using 3M's VHP tape. Didn't drill any hole, didn't use any screws, and I'll show you how well it's held up. But first, let's go back and look at the original install briefly, and then we'll fast forward to today, and I'll show you how well it's held up.
So we started by applying tape to the back of the microphone mount, and I mounted that on the dashboard right near the steering wheel and let it sit overnight and cure before I put the microphone on it. Then we attached tape to the back of the bracket for the base unit, and we mounted that behind the rear seat in the storage compartment. Let that cure overnight. And then we attached tape to the back of the bracket for the external speaker, and we had a little trouble getting the adhesive off, the backing off, but we mounted that behind the back seat, and again let that cure overnight before we mounted any equipment to it. And this is a finished product of the speaker mounted and the base unit, and I think it came out really good.
This is my microphone mount on the dashboard, and you can see that it just pops off in the summer heat, so this was a fail. This is my external speaker, and in the summer heat it just falls off. That's a fail. The radio base was installed right behind the passenger seat in the storage area, and it just fell off. So that was a fail. I think we'll all agree that that installation was a major fail. I don't know if it was the tape or maybe I didn't get left-handed tape, but I'm going to try and see if I can find some tape that will work, and we'll revisit a screwless installation at some point in the future. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope something good happens to you today. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.